train whistle blowing, so sleepy underneath the blanket. All the girls and rock and rollin' riding along the bay, all bound for Mornington, many miles away. That was good, wasn't it?
That's one of the cutest things I've ever seen in my life. Oh, that
Again.
Again.
Right, ready, after 3. 1, 2, 3. Train whistle blowing, makes a sleepy noise underneath the blanket are all the gals and rock and rollin', riding all around the all bound for Mornington, many miles away.
Hey.
It's good, isn't it? Right now,